Hello, and welcome to IPsoft's online demo of Big Data Analytics Solutions. In this online demo, we will demonstrate IPsoft's Premium Rate Fraud Analytics Suite. The solution we're about to demo detects and remediates all types of fraud, such as PBX hacking, SIM cloning, roaming fraud, Wangery fraud, artificial inflation of traffic, and international revenue share fraud. For this demo, we will use the acronym International Premium Rate Fraud, or IPRF, as a catch-all term for all types of premium rate fraud. This is a four-part demo and we'll cover our IPRF solution comprehensively. This screen is the landing page for IPsoft's Big Data Analytics Solution portal. On the left side, you see some of our big data solutions. Let's start by defining premium rate fraud. Premium rate fraud is caused by the artificial inflation of traffic, or traffic artificially pumped to premium rate numbers anywhere in the world. It is a nexus between the fraudulent international premium rate providers and hackers who hack PBXs or fraudsters who steal and clone SIMs. International premium rate fraud has plagued most of the telecom carriers in the world, bleeding revenues on an average of about $4 billion. Regardless of the schemes for generating traffic, fraudsters have one single goal. They generate a high volume of calls to assigned premium telephone number ranges, pack their bags, and move on to their next unsuspecting prey. If you have an existing solution, but still see fraud occurring in your network, ask yourself, is your solution serving you well? Is your solution finding alerts in near real time? How many fraud cases have been missed by your existing solution? How much revenue losses does that translate to? How many false positives does the existing solution generate? Does it require supervision from your NOC or fraud analysts? Do any of these questions resonate with you? If yes, please watch this demo closely, as you will find out that IPsoft's IPRF solution is clearly far superior than leading market solutions. Why? Because our solution has a four-prong approach to fighting premium rate fraud. The four prongs are advanced statistics, unsupervised machine learning, customized rules and thresholds, and unstructured data toolset. This approach renders the solution to be very comprehensive and gives you utmost protection against fraud. Tall promise? Yup, but our solution will deliver on this promise. IPsoft's premium rate fraud solutions uncovers all kinds of premium rate fraud. The solution works off your CDRs and advanced statistical algorithms such as unsupervised learning through enhanced k-mean clustering by density. Most existing solutions rely heavily on rules and hot lists of premium service range of numbers that have to be manually maintained. IPsoft's advanced unstructured tool crawls the web and dynamically adds the premium numbers that have been circulated. Thus, you can proactively prevent IPRF before the damage even begins. The Hotlist TM features expedites the reporting of fraud incidents and remediation further because the systems does not have to wait for statistically significant number of CDRs. IPRF is built on statistical machine learning foundations. Hotlist TN add-on is built on unstructured analytics data mining tools. The combination of two minimizes damages inflicted by fraud. With IPsoft's premium rate fraud solution, within a couple of hundreds of CDRs, fraud is detected, and if you use the rule manager feature, fraud detection is even faster. With 95% accuracy, you will have the confidence to leverage the inbuilt autonomics engine to automatically block the numbers with no human intervention. Carriers suffer from disputed bills for fraud. It's a fact of life. These disputes can be very damaging. How about you put a stop to it? Use IPsoft's fraud management system, which will earn your trust and automate your fraud management process. No more $100,000 worth of fraud to premium rate destinations over a weekend. It will be detected and stopped within the hour. Let's move on to the demo now, shall we? The user interface is intuitive and minimalistic in design. There are just three tabs: Configure Parameters, Retrieve Information, and Dashboard View. You can configure minimal parameters here. You do not have to configure the routes, suppliers, and destinations because the machine learns your network from the CDRs. All that you configure here are business parameters related to your operations. Retrieve Information gives you a hierarchical grid view of all alerts and issues in your network. These results can also be viewed in a trending chart format. Dashboard View allows you 3 different views to look at your network traffic. The Executive View gives you an overview of your global network, premium rate fraud destinations, minutes lost, customers affected by service level, and fraud trends. Alert View helps NOC or fraud analysts get all alerts and other fraud statistics in a single display view. My View is a customizable view for your fraud team if they want to customize their daily alerts and other fraud statistics to be displayed via dashboard. Let's talk about configure parameters. First one being email notification. The key to an effective fraud analytics solution is to detect quickly and accurately and alert your customers in near real time so that the fraudulent calls can be blocked as soon as possible. Most existing industry solutions require the NOC or the operations team to dig into the CDRs, troubleshoot the issue, contact the customers to confirm if it is truly premium rate fraud, and then block the numbers. The accuracy level being low in the existing solutions doesn't help either. It puts the onus on the fraud teams to do their due diligence, make test calls, look at historical trends to truly confirm that it is fraud. Pretty time-consuming exercise, right? The delay is simply not acceptable. With IPsoft solution, there is no manual intervention required. Solution automatically alerts you in near real time and with a guaranteed accuracy of 95%. Some of our customers have automated the solution to block the numbers that is generating fraudulent calls. Now that is a completely automated fraud remediation solution. Does your existing solution automate fraud remediation like this? The email notification augments the troubleshooting process. Just select the customer you're responsible for. Notice it gets auto-populated through machine learning. Then enter the email ID. And then hit update. When IPsoft's IPRF solution detects premium rate fraud with calls originating from this customer, the customers get automatically notified by email with the evidence CDRs, and within a matter of minutes, fraud is averted. Simple and effective, huh? Besides email notifications, the solution supports automated interfaces like SNMP and WSDL. Next, let's look at configuring the route parameters by example. The data that you see here is for a wholesale carrier. All the data, the customer information, the telephone number ranges, destinations, and even country codes are mangled for privacy reasons. These routes are auto-learned by the solution. The definition of a route for premium rate fraud includes 3 tuples: destination, or the final destination, the calling telephone number range, we call it the call-in TNR, and the called telephone number range, we call it the called TNR. Let's talk about the engineering modes. There are 3 engineering modes that the solution supports. Conservative mode. The solution alerts when it is 95% confident it is truly fraud. Accuracy for this mode is 95%. Aggressive mode. The solution aggressively catches all premium rate fraud cases. The coverage for aggressive engineering mode is 95%. Or, the most popular engineering mode with our customers is the intermediate engineering mode, which is more than 90% accurate and covers close to 85% of fraudulent cases. These engineering modes offer you flexibility to configure on an individual basis per your business demands. Let's take an example. Let's consider this destination. This could be a destination like UK, which is an expensive destination, hence has been a favorite among fraudsters for artificially inflating traffic to this destination. If you are conservative in catching fraud in these destinations, you will be held responsible for paying for fraudulent calls. So let's aggressively catch every case of IPRF to this destination and configure the engineering mode to aggressive with 3 steps. The engineering modes are built on the foundations of Core 7 algorithms that look for signatures of anomalous deviations from the norms. We also have exemptions here, where you can exempt a telephone number range from being monitored by the premium rate fraud analytics solution. It is a way to exempt the notifications.